Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best nail pen designer you can get your hands on. The FULINJOY 5PC's dotting pens with 3 PCS nail painting brushes. Whether you're a DIY nail art enthusiast or an aspiring nail tech, this all-in-one toolkit could be your new go-to set. Let's dive into what makes this product a standout. This professional-grade nail art accessory set includes a total of 8 pieces. 5 double-ended dotting pens and 3 precision nail liner brushes. Each tool is designed to give you complete control over your nail design, letting your creativity flow with ease. The dotting pens are especially versatile, coming with 6 different stainless steel ball tips ranging in size from 0.8 mm to 3 mm. Whether you're aiming for micro dots or bold circular accents, there's a tip ready for the job. The handles of the dotting tools are made from vibrant acrylic that adds a pop of color to your toolkit and provides a lightweight, ergonomic grip. The pens feel solid in your hand and are balanced just right for smooth application without fatigue, even during long nail sessions. Moving on to the brushes, the 3 nail painting brushes are made from durable nylon and alloy. Each with a different tip length, 7 mm, 9 mm, and 11 mm. These variations make it easy to draw anything from ultra-fine lines to more elaborate swirls and patterns. They're flexible enough for smooth strokes but firm enough to maintain precision. So whether you're doing French tips, abstract lines, or intricate floral designs, these brushes give you the finesse you need. What really sets this kit apart is its multifunctionality. It's not just for nail art. The dotting pens can be used for embossing, sculpting, cake decoration, polymer clay art, and even tracing patterns on carbon paper. The liner brushes are perfect for acrylic nails, gel polish designs, or regular polish. It's a toolbox of creativity wrapped in a compact set. Another thing you'll appreciate is the ease of cleanup. The stainless steel and nylon materials rinse easily under warm water, and with a bit of brush cleaner, they're as good as new. This makes the set hygienic, reusable, and very low maintenance. For beginners, the set is approachable and easy to use. For pros, it's detailed and dependable. Whether you're decorating for a special occasion or experimenting on a Sunday afternoon, this FULINJOY set brings professional quality tools into your hands without the professional price tag. And yes, while you may be shopping from India or elsewhere, Amazon ensures this kit is available globally. Just double-check your delivery options before ordering. That wraps up today's review. If you're serious about taking your nail art to the next level, the FULINJOY 5PC's dotting pens with 3 PCS nail painting brushes is a smart, affordable, and stylish investment. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, where we bring you honest takes on the tools you actually want. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.